To create a funnel, click New Funnel. I find the fastest way to get up and running is to create a funnel from templates and continue. On the left, you can search for templates. I'll try media, and this looks fairly sleek and modern. Choose template, and GoHighLevel will add the template. Now, if we take a look, this is still fairly generic, but I think it gives a good skeleton and we can replace the content. Up here, you'll have an option to connect a domain. Here is our URL to preview. I'll close this tab. You have all of your standard tools here. You can add elements from here. And when you click elements, your properties will be on the right-hand side. I'll close this. And up here, you can save or publish. I'll save this, and then I'll go back. Here we can see the steps that were created for us. And we can add new steps or import them if we want. At each step, we can add a product. This will pull from your existing product list. You can choose a price and save. If we go back and click New Funnel again, you can start from blank when you're feeling more comfortable, or you can also try Funnel AI. If you continue, you have a few of these funnel generations for free. You just enter your business name, select an industry, click Next. Then you can fill out this short prompt and then generate. Once it's done, it will automatically open. And that's just one more way that you can generate a starting point. I'll save this and then return.